ask if you have ever watched a game of hockey.
You know, do we have a hockey stadium here?
Not much.
No, I have only cricket.
From childhood, we are seeing only the one game, that is cricket. We playing in gully also, bat ball. Our mind, 99% cricket is there. Government is also very much, much focused on the cricket.
Do you think hockey deserves more attention as a game in India?
Yes, they should be given more opportunity and support.
Yeah, actually, because it's the national sport of India.
Hockey has a very deep-rooted history with India.
देखिए हमने 8 गोल्ड मेडल जीते थे 28 से लेके 64 तक। उसके बाद हमारा डाउनफॉल शुरू हुआ।
I think hockey was the heartthrob sport of India until the mid-80s.
Popularization of other sports kind of took its sheen away.
I mean, most of the audiences are juvenile umpires if you ask them in a cricket match. But people don't even have the vaguest idea of how hockey is played.
And today, we have to really make an effort to let people know that the match is happening and persuade them to come and watch. It's just a matter of introspection as to how hockey lost that momentum. The Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society was founded by my grandfather in 1964 in fond memory of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Inder Mohan Kapoor ji was our founder father of the Nehru Hockey Society. Our first Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament was started in 1964 in Delhi.
Hockey has always been known as the national game of India, and my grandfather was first a patriot at heart, then a family man, then an industrialist and a philanthropist. So I think he founded this institution in great national interest.
Nehru tournament is the one tournament where the selector has their eyes. So this is a platform where if you excel, if you play well, you have the chances to play for the country.
Every single player that has ever gone to the Indian national hockey team has played its junior and senior levels before doing so.
नेहरू हॉकी टूर्नामेंट की एक हिस्ट्री है, इंडिया के टॉप लेवल के प्लेयर निकले हैं।
The captain of the present India hockey team has also played Jawaharlal Nehru tournament as well.
Hockey is like you play it with your heart. It's
Very raw.
it's raw. You do it for the country. You do it for the sport.
It was founded in 1964 and from then the games have been going on.
That even during plague, during China war and Pakistan war, this tournament was continued.
I spoke to Mr. Walia for the first time in early February of 2021 and then informed him of the news of my grandfather leaving us. And that's how the discussion of us joining hands started off. The Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society has held all its premier tournaments in Delhi. He left us over here. I got my principles from him over here. So if there's a tribute to be given, it should be in a place he left us in, is what I strongly felt.
The day when I came over here to inspect the ground, and now it's a lot of big changes here, and I appreciate the way you have worked hard, and we got this absolutely renovated stadium, which looks so wonderful, so attractive. The end result is very fruitful, very exciting, very thrilling. My hats off to you.
Thank you, sir.
What excites us is new challenges. But once we got into this, when we have understood why Yash has actually put his efforts to move this tournament to Hyderabad, to continue a legacy
And that actually made us move. So after 56 years, for the first time ever, this tournament is moving to Hyderabad. It's a privilege.
Enthusiasm is definitely there, but this is something which was missing all these years. We never had the chance to see quality, high caliber players playing before our eyes. This is something which will be of great value for us in Telangana. The fact that such a prestigious tournament is happening here will pave the way for lots of young players.
And now in the 2021 Tokyo Olympic Games has given us hockey a very big boost. And I hope this Guncha 57th Nehru Hockey Tournament will revive the game again to the entire country.
Ladies and gentlemen who've all graced this momentous occasion of the Guncha 57th Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament, hosted for the very first time outside New Delhi in this beautiful city of pearls, Hyderabad.
हैदराबाद में ज़्यादा टूर्नामेंट्स नहीं होते, यहाँ पे बहुत कम प्लेयर्स बाहर आते हैं, तो यहाँ पे जो लोकल लड़के लोग जो रहेंगे उनको बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगा.
तो एक अच्छा सा प्लेटफॉर्म है यंगस्टर्स के लिए. मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि हमारी टीम से भी जो 3-4 प्लेयर्स इस बार जो टीम में आए, कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करे, उसके बाद अपनी कंट्री के लिए मेडल लेकर.
The fact that we are part of history in the making.
I think it's very important that we bring back hockey at the school level.
Right from grassroots level, it has to be included in their daily curriculum.
I definitely see us going on a bigger league. We plan on getting international hockey teams next year.
We are looking forward with this particular tournament in Hyderabad, trying to attract more hockey enthusiasts to participate, to visit, to watch, and also come forward, take this game more seriously for the next generations to come.
Guncha Group's first corporate social responsibility initiative. Not just as a tribute to him, but in deep, deep honor of carrying his legacy forward. It gives me sheer happiness to do so.